33 years old. My religion is Catholic. I am married. I have 2 children. My husband is work as a farmer. I have 3 brothers and 5 sisters, and I am the third in the family.
Good day to you, Miss Annalyn. How are you today?
Yes, sir, ma'am. I'm fine too.
Okay, so what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Sir, madam, the good characteristics of a domestic helper are honest, patient, responsible, and hardworking.
Can you tell us the proper way in how to take care of the children?
Sir, madam, I will treat them as my own family and give them proper food, give vitamins, and take a bath.
Okay, what if you commit a mistake? What will you do?
Sir, madam, I will say sorry and promise not to do it again.
What is your last message or promise your employer?
Sir, madam, please don't hire me because I need this job for the future of my children. And I promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Annalyn, and good luck.
Thank you, sir, madam.